Nano Babo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Brewing, Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Mark, it's always good to be outside once again. So nandito tayo sa Clark. And if you're asking ano yung restaurant natin ngayon, this is the King Craft Beer and Restaurant.
Dito they offer authentic Filipino, Japanese, and Chinese cuisine.
A lot of food that is served today. Kasama natin yung mga owners and staff and management. So makakasama natin sila sa kainan ngayon. And if you want to know more about this, samahan nyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
I'm Chef Thomas. Welcome to King's Craft Restaurant and Sushi Bar. Nag-start ako sa Mabini. Since ko is nag-number 3 siya sa Japan Cooking Competition, si Mr. Matsosaka. Then napunta ako sa mga hotels, napunta ako sa iba-ibang bansa. Galing na ako ng Qatar, Saudi, Pakistan, Japanese continental. Gagawa tayo ng authentic at saka fusion sushi. Ang authentic kasi yung nag-originate from Japan, yung pagkain talaga nila, yung tunay na lasang sushi. Yung mga fusion is yung mga ideas na lang ng mga chef at ng mga guest. Actually, sa dami ng request ng mga guest, nakakakuha rin ang mga chef ng ideas from them. So, itutuloy yun na napakarami. Gaya ng yung salmon, i-fry bago lalagyan ng teriyaki. So, kita mo ang isang restaurant, mga hapon ang pumasok. Ibig sabihin, authentic ang pagkain mo. Yun ang isang malaking sign na tunay ang restaurant mo, Japanese restaurant. Ang gamit po natin is authentic Japanese rice. Meron talagang specific rice for sushi. Normally, ang malakas talaga sa kanila ang sushi. Although, kumakain naman sila ng mga hot foods. Pero ang sushi kasi dito, incomparable ang ano natin. Kumbaga,
Yes, sir.
sa freshness ng seafoods, lahat naman pwedeng kumuha. Pero yung handling, tulad nung pag nagnigiri ka, is kung napansin mo ang hawak is mabilis lang. Kasi yung freshness nung isda mawawala. Dahil mainit ang palm natin. So, pag tumagal siya ng ilang seconds sa kamay mo, maluluto na siya. Kaya pagka gumagawa ako, nanonood sila, na nakikita nila, natutuwa sila.
I am Benson Kaisip and welcome to King's Craft Beer and Restaurant. Craft beer, ano siya, parang usually kasi private enterprise siya, hindi siya yung parang yung commercial na large scale. Yes. So kami, small scale lang, pero we have the liberty of making specialized beer. Ito, mga ano siya, ito yung beer tank namin. So after namin tinimpla yung lahat ng beer namin, gamit itong tank. Ito kasi pang timpla yan. So, dito namin nilagay yung mga ground na barley, water, tapos beer hops. After nyan na matimpla, which takes almost a day, dito namin nilagay yung yeast at dyan mag-ferment yung beer for mga 15 to 30 days po. We make 2 to 3 kinds of beer. Yung black, ano siya, gawa siya sa roasted na malt, tapos tastes like caffeine. Yellow, more conventional siya, so tastes more like Pilsen.
Alright, so again guys, nandito tayo sa King's Craft Beer. So this is located sa Northwalk. Sa Northwalk Clark Air Base. So they serve, of course, authentic Japanese cuisine.
Authentic Chinese cuisine, authentic Filipino cuisine, and at the same time, craft beer.
So this is our table. Ayan, kasama natin yung mga owners and staff dito. So magiging festa tayo.
Yes, actually makikain lang
So
tayo.
before natin i-read yung table nila, siguro introduce natin yung mga food na pinrepare nila para may idea yung mga viewers natin kung ano yung mga sinerve nga nila.
Authentic Filipino natin. So meron tayo ditong sinigang ni hipon, meron tayong bulalo, meron tayong fried whole chicken, meron din tayong crispy tawilis. So ito
Yes,
madalang
yes.
lang natin nakikita
Yes,
or
yes.
nakikita sa mga restaurants. So meron din tayong pinaputok na isda, meron din tayong crispy pata, Bicol Express, boneless bangus, and laing. And other servings naman dito, syempre meron tayong sakanaan kake, which is a sweet and sour red snap.
snapper.
Tapos, syempre hindi mawawala dyan yung mga kunigiri, meron din tayong ikura, meron din tayong sake, which is yung salmon, salmon with avocado, meron din tayong futomaki. Tapos syempre meron tayong gyoza, tofu steak, rolled in beef, and sukiyaki set.
So those were the dishes, guys. Different worlds, no? Japanese, Filipino, and as well as Chinese. Matitikman nyo dito, guys. This is really interesting. Ayan. So what is that?
Ito ang moriawase executive, sashimi moriawase. Meron tayong tuna, salmon, red snapper, kingfish, octopus, and sea urchin.
And then it's served in a ice plate. Hopefully, we were able to drool you, no? So kakain na kami, kasama nga natin yung mga chefs natin dito. You don't get to eat this every day, guys. Red snapper. Ayan, so thank you so much, King's Craft Beer and Restaurant, for this. Very rare, very rare. And a good thing, no? Naging available sila. And pwede na natin ma-enjoy. Red snapper. Wow! So from their Filipino dish naman, guys, ito yung kanilang Bicol Express. Lagyan natin konting laing. Sorry nyo ano. I like, coconut-based mga dishes. Kunin na natin yung Let's get this.
Siyempre, as a meat lover, yung crispy pata naman yung kukunin ko dito. And I heard yung crispy pata na rin dito is something, a new taste for sa ating mga Filipino. Siyempre, yung kanilang bulalo yung titikman natin.
Right, so kuha naman tayo dito sa kanilang sukiyaki. So it's a soup-based Japanese meal, sukiyaki. For some, parang ito yung para sa kanila is yung shabu-shabu version nila. But for Japanese, it's called sukiyaki. Ayan. Alright, so yun guys, kasama natin dito yung mga owners and staff.
Yes.
So they have been really generous kasi ang dami ng mga hinanda nila for today. So dito guys, when you go here, meron tayong room for kumbaga enclosed air condition. Meron din tayong al fresco, so open air dining. It's up to you. It's up to you. So siguro if you bring your kids here, mas sila dun sa suitable sila dun sa open air. Yan. Kung gusto mo naman air condition, up to stay inside. Let's make some space. Make some space. Napaka-interesting ng plate na to na dinala dito ni Mark. Ang tawag dito ay?
Moriawase Executive Sashimi.
So it has 6 different kinds of sashimi.
And what is good thing here is itong set na to is only 720 pesos.
Yup.
So sa mga Japanese lover, this is a must try para sa inyo.
So siguro I think let me go first with this one. This is the sea urchin. Ayan guys. Sabi ko nga, you don't get this every day, just anywhere. Dito lang guys, available dito yan. Sea urchin. Ayan.
Yes, ako din sea urchin yung una kong titikman dahil memorable sa akin itong mga to.
Yup.
Fresh na fresh sila.
Fresh na fresh. You guys get your sea urchin.
So ako naman, titikman ko na lang octopus. Octopus tayo.
Sarap ng sea urchin. Parang it's creamy. Hindi siya malansa. So it's well handled and prepared. Ako, nalaman ko dito sa mga Japanese pala, very strict sila doon sa mga preparation and food handling.
Yeah.
And mga Japanese talagang they would really appreciate that. How much time you need to prepare a sashimi or a sushi. So very important para sa
Very precise sila
Exactly.
sa preparation time.
no, good thing we have a really good chef dito. With his experience talagang no wonder bumabalik-balik yung mga Japanese dito. And they really love the place.
Napaka-fresh nila, no?
Uh-huh.
At the same time, yung lasa, hindi sila malansa.
Yeah.
Ang sarap sa bibig.
Uh-huh.
Ako, personally, hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganitong
Sashimi,
food, yung mga raw. Pero ito na-appreciate ko.
Come on. Alright, so top it all off guys. Again, available po yung mga craft beers nila dito. So I got mine, yung black. So later ko titingman yung yellow. But again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your time. If you've come up this far, medyo mahaba-haba to,
Yes.
pero it's worth it guys. So come and check out King Craft Beer and Restaurant if you're looking for authentic Japanese, Chinese and Filipino. Available po dito yan. So
this is another option for you to try out
Yep.
dito sa may Northwalk, Pampanga.
So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Peace.